Next, example 3.51, solve x and y. 8x minus 3y equal to 5xy, 6x minus 5y equal to minus 2xy by the method of elimination. So using elimination method, going to find solution. First given question take, right? So given that 8x minus 3y equal to 5xy, this is equation number 1. Next one, 6x minus 5y equal to minus 2xy, this is equation number 2. Now listen here, given question linear equation in two variables, adha naam discuss pannirukom, but here given question it's not a linear equation but two variables. How can I say it's not linear equation? Yes, is that x, y. Here two variables having, first x multiply with another constant, next y multiply with another constant. But here xy multiplying, two variables here given multiplying. So two variables multiplying, this is not a linear, it's a quadratic. Power here 1, here 1. So adding we get 2. Power 2 there is not a linear, it's a quadratic equation. Therefore, first of equation 1 and 2 dividing by xy. Therefore, divided by xy, we get solution. See that 8x divided by xy minus 3y divided by xy equal to 5xy divided by xy. Now cancel, x cancel, here y cancel, then 8 by y minus 3 by x equal to xy common cancel, we get 5. Next also same like that, second one 6x divided by xy minus 5y divided by xy equal to minus 2xy. Now here common x cancel, here y common cancel, next here dividing xy, so xy common cancel, then we get a 6 by y minus 5 by x equal to minus 2. Now take, this is equation number 3, this is equation number 4. Next one, y I am dividing x, y, dividing by xy. Here given equation is the quadratic equation. Now x oda value 0 substitute panna, y oda value also 0 தான். Y value 0 substitute, again we get x value 0. அதனால x y ரெண்டுமே எனக்கு 0 கிடைக்கிறதுனால நான் என்ன செஞ்சேன், செப்பரேட் வேல்யூஸ் சூஸ் பண்ணுறேன். அப்போ எக்ஸ்க்கு ஒரு வேல்யூ சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணால் ஒய்க்கு வேறு வேல்யூ வரணும். பட் எனக்கு ரெண்டுமே என்ன ஆகுது, ஃபுல்லாகவே ஜீரோவாக மாறிடுச்சு. லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு ஈக்குவல் டு ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு 0 வருது. ஸோ அதனால் நான் என்ன செஞ்சேன், ஐ எம் டிவைடிங் பை xy. We get equation 3 and 4. Now you see that here denominator having y and x, here y and x. Therefore now I'm choosing, see that let p equal to 1 by x, q equal to 1 by y. Take substitute in equation 3 and 4. Equation 3 is given, what is that, 8 into 1 by y, 8 by y we can write, minus 3 by x we can write 3 into 1 by x equal to 5. Next equation 4 is given, 6 by y, 6 into 1 by y minus 5 into 1 by x equal to minus 2. Now here take substitute, 8 into 1 by y we can write q, 8q minus 3, 1 by x we can p equal to 5. Next see that this one, 6 into 1 by y we can write q minus 5 into 1 by x we can write p equal to minus. This take it equation number 5, this take it equation number 6. Now take solve 5 and 6. So we get solution. First up, using this, now going to discuss elimination method. How to eliminate? Want to equate the coefficients. Here given two variables p and q. So want to equate coefficient of either p or q. See that equation 4 and 5. Now I am equating coefficient of p. So here fifth equation la coefficient of p is minus 3. Sixth equation coefficient of p is minus 4. So I want to equate. How to equate? நான் என்ன சரி இதை 5 ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறேன், இதை 3 ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறேன். அதை ஈக்குவேட் என்ன ரெண்டும் சேமாக வரணும். ஸோ வாட் நம்பர் வாண்ட் டு மல்டிப்ளை, தட்ஸ் யுவர் ஓன் சாய்ஸ். என்ன செய்யலாம்னா ஈக்குவேஷன் 5 மல்டிப்ளை வித் 3, sorry 5, equation 5 multiply by 5, we get solution. See that 5 multiply, then 5, 8 5s are 40 q minus 5 3s are 15, 15 p equal to 5 5s 25. Next equation 3 multiply with 6 multiply with 3, then 6 3s are 18q minus 5 3s are 15p equal to minus 3 to 6. Now change the sign, minus plus plus. Then here minus 15p, here plus 15p, cancel. Now here 40q minus 18q, what is the solution? Again we get 22q equal to here 25 plus 6, we get a 31. So q equal to 31 divided by 22. We get q value 31 divided by 22. This value takes substitute in equation 5 or 6. So now I am choosing any one equation, we can choose, no problem. Now I am choosing equation 5. 5 take it. What's the 5? 8q minus 3p equal to 5. 8 into q value is the 31 by 22 minus 3p equal to 5. Now take cancel. By second table, 4, second table is the 11. Therefore, 4 into 31 divided by 11 minus 3p equal to 5. Now 4 multiplied 31. What is the value? 1 into 4, 4. 4 3 are 12. 124 by 11 minus 3p equal to 5. Now I want to find p value only. Therefore, p take it right hand side. Then 124 by 11 minus 5 equal to 3p. Now we are taking cross product. 124 minus 5 11s are is the 5 into 11 divided by 11 equal to 3p. 5 11s are 124 minus 5 11s are 55. 55 by 11 equal to 3p. So next one, 124 minus 55. Take separating 124 minus 55. Here borrow 1, 15. 14 minus 5 is the 9. Here remaining 1. So 11 minus 5 is the 69. So 69 equal to 3p. So 69 equal to 3p. Then 69 divided by 3 equal to p. So now 1 times of 3, this is the 2, 3, 23. Therefore, so here one term missing. 69 by 11 want to come. Then here also, then from this step, 69 by 11. 24 minus 55 we get 69. 69 by 11 equal to 3p. Now 69 divided by 11, this 3 goes left hand side is the division, equal into 11 equal to p. 1 times of this is the 2, 3, 23. Therefore 23 by 11 equal to p. Therefore p value we can write 23 by 11. This is the p value. Therefore taken right. Therefore p equal to 23 by 11 and q equal to 31 by 22. Already we assumption p is the 1 by x, q is the 1 by y. Then take substitute the values. P is the 1 by x. 1 by x equal to 23 by 11. Q is the 1 by y. 1 by y equal to 31 by 22. Now taking reciprocal, then x equal to 11 by 23. Y equal to 22 by 31. Therefore, xy we get a 11 by 23. Next 22 by 31. This is the required solution. Next listen. Here given equation is the, what is that? 8x minus 3y equal to 5xy. 6x minus 5y equal to minus 2xy. So both are is not linear. Already I said. For linear, this is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, we have two solutions. First solution we find it, x and y, 11 by 23, y is the 22 by 31. Next, see that another solution is given in the book. Observe that the given system is not linear because of the occurrence of xy term. Also, note that if x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x equal to 0, that x value 0 substitute panna. Inge 0 also full term 0. Inge x value 0 in the full term 0. Then y equal to 0 at the solution and vice versa. Vice versa means y value substitute 0, then x value is also 0. So 0 comma 0 under this also solution for the system, and any other solution would have both x not equal to 0 and y not equal to 0. The x value 0 and so substitute panna, y values also get 0. Next x not equal to 0 substitute panna, we get a y not equal to 0. That's first time then x equal to 0 substitute panna, y value 0 and this is also one of the solution. Therefore final solution. Then we can say the system has two solutions. The system has two solutions. What is that? 11 by 23, 22 by 31 and 0 comma 0 has two solutions 0 comma 0 because 0 then the x also 0, x 0 give it, y also get 0, y 0 substitute, x also we get 0, that's why 0 comma 0 and x not equal to 0 substitute, y not equal to 0, y not equal to 0 substitute, x not equal to 0. So this ends solution over.